Determine the derivative of the following function. Whew. Okay, so now we're going to start unpacking these things. This is definitely a function inside of another function, but then there's another function up here subtracted. So it's not, we don't have to use any rules for that because we don't have to worry about this. It's just multiplied, divided, or powered inside of another one. The subtraction we just do individually, so we don't have to worry about the subtraction or addition. But then all this is divided by the log function. So we have a quotient rule on the outside, and then we have a bunch of chain rules on the inside. So let's just start doing it. D by dx, so dy by dx. Okay, so we're going to start off with the quotient rule, okay, because I got the derivative of the upstairs and the downstairs. So when I say we do quotient rule, it says, okay, take the derivative of f, the upstairs. Okay, let's take the derivative of upstairs. So let's just start from the right-hand side. So it's going to be left-hand side. I'm so sorry, you read from left to right, so we're trying from the right-hand side. 2x, done. That's the derivative of that one. Minus, we're still taking the derivative of f, because we're taking the derivative of the top here. And now we have to write down the derivative of there and then the derivative of this thing. Now, the derivative of sine, well, this is going to be a chain rule. So it's going to be derivative of sine, which is cosine of x minus 1, times the derivative of the inside, which is just 1 in this case, because it's just x. The derivative of, there's a 1 there, so 1 comes down, 1 minus 1 is 0, and then the derivative of a constant is 0. So it's just going to be times 1. So that's pretty easy. Okay, cool. And then we times that by g. We're done. We took the derivative of the top. Now we times it by the derivative. We times it by g itself. So log of x squared minus f, which is this whole ugly thing again, minus sine, but not the derivative, minus 1. Okay, times the derivative of the inside times times the derivative of the bottom, dg by dx. So now we take the derivative of log right here. So it's going to be 1 over x. Oh, this is interesting. Yeah, because this is the x here. So it's actually, no, this is going to be 1 over x squared because we take the whatever is the inside there. So 1 over x squared ln of a. And then we times it by the derivative of the inside, which is going to be the 2x. Bracket closed. And there it is. Okay, so yeah, this one is because just like these were all the other ones here. When we took the derivative of sine, we didn't say we didn't put x minus 1 down there. We did. You don't take the derivative of the inside when you take the derivative of the outside. When you take the derivative of the outside, which we're taking the log of, you just take whatever's inside there and you replace all the x's in these functions with those x's. Okay, so here if it was we took the derivative of it was x squared, it would be cosine x squared. Then we take that times the derivative of the inside. So here it was a log of x squared. So now it's going to be 1 over x squared ln of a, which is going to be ln of 10. This is base 10. I don't know why I wrote down a, 10. And then we take the derivative times the derivative of the inside, which was 2x. Okay, it's complicated. It does get complicated. Divided by g squared. So log of all squared. And that's it. There you go. You can leave it like that. That's ugly enough. But I will try to simplify it a little bit here. What can I do? I can make it look like this. Log of x squared times 2x minus cosine of x minus 1 minus this guy, the x's will cancel. 1x will cancel. So I'm just left with 2. Yeah, we'll just leave it like that. So we'll just leave 2 over x ln of 10 times x squared minus sine of x minus 1. And that's all over log x squared squared. Ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. But that is the derivative.